Hello everyone and welcome back to the ThermoXAV channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to plot a mathematical function in engineering equation solver or EES. We will use the following function here. Y is equal to x force power minus 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 12x plus 5. And we will plot this over the interval from minus 5 to 5, as you can see in this question. So let's get started. First of all, I will go to the options, use the preference to increase the size of the font, and then I will change it to 24 and press OK. Then I can simply write down y is equal to x force power plus 4. We need to use this multiplication factor actually here. This is minus, so x4 minus 4x cubed, then minus 2 multiplied by x squared plus 12x and plus 5. So then you can check this equation. We have one equation and two variables. Y and x are our variables. And let me go one more time here to the options and change this font and increase this size. And then go to the formatted equation window by clicking here, and then you can see this is the same function as it is, as you can see. So x force power minus 4 x squared cubed minus 2x squared plus 12x plus 5, the same as this equation. Then we can go here. This is the save as finding the minimum and maximum. We had another video in our channel. You can go and check. So here you can define these intervals. So I will go here and then change this value to minus 5 and this one to 5, the x value, and then press on OK. Even you don't need to do this, but then to actually plot a function, we need to define a table. We call this table as the parametric table. As you can see here, this icon, you can just simply click on it, then you have a table. So we need to use this both x and y, so we will add these variables in equation as we have here to variables in table. So we will have a table with these two variables, and I will increase the number of runs from 10 to 100. Then we have a table with 100 rows. So I will simply press on OK, and then I have run 1 to actually 100. You can go and check like this. Let me extend this EES software, and then here you have all the run. Now here we need to define this interval minus negative 5 to 5. So just simply right click on this x, use the alter values, and then here you can enter your interval. So the first value is negative 5, and the last one you have option to define some different values here, but I will select the last value, which is 5, and then press simply on OK. So at the end we have 5, the end of this interval, and the first value is minus 5. So based on this x values and also this function, we can generate all the y values. So you can just simply click on this run to solve this table, and so based on each x here, we have our corresponding y according to this function. So now we have this table, and based on this one we can generate and create the XY plot. So to do so, you can go to simply to plots, and then under the new plot window you will select the XY plot. So then you can define your name, the one name here, or description here, but I will keep it as it is. And then if you have so we are using the parametric table to creating this plot, and we have only this table 1. This is table 1, so we will select this one. And then for x-axis we'll select x, and the y-axis it is y. And then simply you can define different values for x and y. So I will select -5 to 5, and then select 1, and then press on OK. So we have this function here in these intervals, -5 to 5. Then you can simply modify this plot. If you are going to change this plot, you can go to the plot and then modify plot here, and also you can access to modify axis, but you can also simply double click on the graph itself here, and then you have access to this modify plot. So this is the same as here. If we go to the plot and modify plot, we will have the same window. Then here you can change, for example, this line to the dashed line, as you can see. Then change the color if you want. You can also add the symbol, different symbol, it is available here. And so you can actually modify your plot. This is for the grid. We don't have any grid yet here, but we can change it later. For now I will keep this color and press on OK. And then I will go to each of these X or Y, double click on one of these numbers here. Then I can go to the X axis and change the value. For example, I can add the grid lines here, but I will keep all the default values here. Just add the grid line, press on OK. So this is the color the default color for this grid. And then I can select the grid line for y-axis, press on OK. Then I can double click here again and then select this one, change the color. So very simple. You can modify actually everything here in this plot. You can change the title. So here, for example, you can use this code. This is the bold. So if I deselect this bold, so you will see that this text will be changed. And if I keep it as it is, you will see this Y is in the bold shape. So if, for example, I can add the unit, if it is here after this B, so it is not bold. But if we put it here like this, so it will change to bold value, as you can see. So I will press just simply here. There is another option. You can overlay any other plots to this plot if you are going to compare to plot, for example. So I will define simply another function. I will call it as y_1 equal to x cube, for example, just a simple example. And then we have another function. So we can create another parametric table by clicking here to go to the table, add a new parametric table. I will select this one. Then I will select, change this one to 100, and I will use the x value and y1 as I defined recently, and add in the variable in the table. The table name in this time is table 2, so it is different with this one. I will press OK. Then I can add the x value again, use the alter value. So I will select -5 to 5, and then press OK, run again. So this time we will have the y1 value by pressing on this solve. So the table will be solved here. Then actually we have our plot here. as you can see. So now I'm going to add another the new plot into this plot window. So I will go simply to the plot, and there is an option overlay plot, so I will select that one. Then we need to select the table that we are going to add here. So this is the table 2 we recently created. I will keep it as it is. You can also modify this part, but this time I will select y-axis as y_1, and then you can select the color or change anything. So I will change something like that, then press OK. So you will see this actually plot also added to the previous plot. So with this method you can simply generate the plot in the engineering equation solver, and then even you can add the other plot to the first plot. So that's it for today, and then thanks for watching.